Is it wrong I built this rig just because of these wheels?
I'm your huckleberry.
I saw these wheels on Amazon one day and I'm like, hey, those look pretty cool. Don't really have anything that would work on, so I built this instead. So this is the color scheme I went with. And I think it turned out pretty good. I like the way it looks. But I built this whole thing, just about everything on this truck's from Amazon. Chassis, the axles, the body I got at A-main, and then the motor I got home. It's a Holmes Hobby. It's the Puller Pro stubby, 3300 kV, and then I got the Castle Creations Mamba Micro X V2, I think, along with a Flash Hobby 45 kilogram steering servo, Mias axles with a Mias differential weights, and the front outer portal covers. I got the Desert Lizard shocks. This is my first experience with these shocks, so I'm still trying to figure that out. Got the Mias lower links here, and then these upper links I had in my parts bin, so I just used them from something that came out of something else. Carbon fiber chassis from Amazon. Drive shafts are Mias, got those on Amazon. The tires are the Endura Kraken Claws. I've had these for a little while, but I have some Proline Hyrax G8 compound. Those are coming right now, as of this video, right now for the Black Friday. Horizon Hobbies running a special on them. They're a pair for like $13, so I bought 2 pair. I couldn't beat that at all. So those will be here pretty soon. And right now these have the Three Brothers RC inserts in them with dual stage. But when I get the Proline Hyraxes in, I'm going to put the Pro Coats from Exocage. I'm going to put those in there because I've got them on my other 2 crawlers and I'm real happy with them. But let's put this on some scales and see how I did weight wise. Alright, got it up on the scales, and with the battery unit, hopefully y'all can see that, it's 2,611 grams. I got my 60% weight in the front and 40% weight in the rear, so I did good on that. So all in all, I'm happy with the overall weight difference. It turned out good. So now I'm going to go try it out my little crawler course in the backyard, and if it does well, I'll take it back out in a different video. Actually, after I get the Hyraxes on here, once those come in. But I'll take it out, but I'll test it on my little course. It's all it is, just a little test course. See if I need to do any tweaks to it or anything else. But let's step out and do that right now. well, for my little makeshift course out back, it did pretty good. I was real happy with it. I think I need to trim these fenders up just a little bit, so I may mess with that. I'll wait till I get the high racks on here and see how well it handles it. You know, I might need to do some shock tuning too. I don't know. These, like I said, this is my first time using these Desert Lizards. So I've got 20 weight oil in them. All soft springs are installed in it. And I don't have it at full droop. I just got it at, you know, quarter droop or 3/4 droop. Heck, I can't remember. It's not drooped all the way. Like I said, this is still a learning curve. But cool, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I will have links, everything in the description below for everything on this build. And I hope y'all have a great holiday and be good and take care.